About to have lunch. Macros, protein, fats, and carbs. But I wanted to drop this gem here real quick just before I got started. This is real hot anyways, and I forgot my spoon. Hang on. It's not if you're trying to change people at your pad, if you're trying to change your loved ones at your pad, for whatever reason, even if you know it's for their own good. Oh, you should do this. Oh, you shouldn't be like that. Oh, why are you always acting like that? Changing their habits, changing their attitude, changing the way they carry themselves, their thoughts, their feelings, their actions. All you're gonna do is frustrate yourself. But it's my pad, and they better act the way I want them to act. Look, here's a mind shift for you to change your attitude, to raise your attitude. First of all, if you're not liking the way people are acting, it's just a reflection of something about you that you don't like about you. So you're just at a low vibe. You're at a low attitude. What you should do first is raise your attitude. I won't go down that rabbit hole because I feel myself repeating myself in every single video on how to raise your attitude. If you want to raise your attitude, that's your first fix right there. That's step one. Go watch my other videos on how to raise your attitude. I'll probably be a specific video that I'm gonna instructions on how to raise your attitude. That way I could just lead people to that video. Once you raise your attitude, you're not gonna see everyone else's things that you don't like about them. What they're, like I said, what they're doing, how they're acting, how they're, all that. So real quick, I'm gonna finish this up just so I could get the point across, and then I'll do a longer video about it. Don't worry about trying to change anybody else. It's your ass that needs changing. And if anything, what you do is you become the best version of you by not being, whatever you see, oh, they're in a bad attitude, then better your attitude. Oh, they're so messy, then stop being messy yourself. There's gotta be something in your life that's messy. It may not be at home, but it could be the way you think, could be your car, could be what you do, how you do work, could be your attitude towards other drivers, could be your attitude towards relatives. That's messy. Doesn't have to be the same thing. If they're messy, you stop being messy. And besides, it's not your job to fix them. God didn't send you to this earth to say, hey, go fix all those people. Your job is just to fix you. And then figure out how you did it, how you fixed yourself, and then help others do the same. It could simply be not by nagging at them, but by being the example. Be a better example. Stop trying to fix them, fix yourself first.